Hi everyone. Welcome to Happy Learning Tutorials. Hope you are doing good. So in today's Leadership Success and Life Transformation series, we are going to learn about 5J rules of leadership success. What are these 5J rules? How we can attain that success and reach that ultimate potential. So let us understand. The number first is jovial. Leader is always jovial. Have you ever seen a leader demotivated or sitting at a corner? No, never. So be jovial. Number two, be judicious. Judiciously use all the resources and take good judgments. Right. Number three, jubilant. So jubilant stands for joyful and proudly, especially because of attaining that triumph or ultimate success, aiming for that success. Number four, journey. Okay. So life is a journey. This is what it means. So life is about living, and this is what I think it means. Life is about living. So it is about living and transforming, I would say. So whenever we talk about careers, we talk about take that leap of faith for that new opportunity, take that leap of faith for that new project, take that leap of faith for that new success you were looking for or you were working hard for, and take that leap of faith and work hard to attain that new technology or to learn that new task or skill you wanted to uh, passionately devote yourself, devote your time, and then reach that. Last but not the least, being joyful. So joyful as the name itself. Be overjoyed with whatever is happening, feeling happiness with what you are working on. Like that work, what you are building, build that with happiness, and you will see the remarkable results once you put your 100% into it. Be mindful, set your mind on that growth to attain that result, and once you have focused your mind to attain those growth, to attain those challenges, to attain those goals 100% full focus and keeping a leap of faith and happiness inside and a prosperous and abundance mindset, you will be able to do that, right? So don't get demotivated with the ongoing struggles and challenges. It is gonna come every time in every sphere of your life, whether it is career, whether it is life, whether it is leader, whether it is servant or whatever you are doing, right? So leadership is always for the people. You need to serve your people. You need to serve your organization. You need to provide them with the abundant resources or the required resources which they need, right? So for every minute you are angry, you lose 60 seconds of happiness, right? Folks are usually unhappy about as happy they make their minds up to be. So whoever is happy will make others happy. That's a fact, right? Full proof fact. And there are those who give up with joy, and that joy is their reward. So when you are living in a happier space, being grateful for everything there is in your life, from your careers, your relationships, your material possessions, or your life success, or your spirituality, or whatever sphere of life, or your technology domain, whatever sphere of life you are in order to prove yourself and stand out and become a role model for others, you need to follow these and be jovial, be happy, be joyful, embrace the journey rather than focusing entirely on the setbacks, and be generous and judicious enough to understand others and help others out. Right. So jovial, we already got it. Being cheerful and friendly in order to help others and provide the advices and the suggestions when needed. Being a leader. Judiciously, we have to use the resources and take wise decisions and good judgments, which make sense. Jubilant is standing out and being joyful and proudly, especially because of achieving that triumph or success and celebrating those achievements. Journey is like you have to celebrate every win and every loss and take the experiences forward to achieve more. And the joyful being feeling and expressing happiness, celebrate others' achievements as your own. Celebrate your team's achievements, celebrate your colleagues' achievements, celebrate your community's achievements, celebrate what goals you are focusing on, right? So these are my 5 J's of leadership success. Do like, share, follow, and repost for more insights on leadership, and drop a message for leadership training, coaching, mentoring sessions. Hope you like it. Have a nice day. See you later. Bye bye.